Hello everyone, this is a tutorial video on how to utilize all the features of our consignor portal. To start, go to sell.hypeonsite.com. If this is your first time here, you'll be prompted with the sign up form. If you already have an account, navigate to the bottom of the screen and click Already Have an Account. Then you can proceed to log in. Once logged in, you'll be brought to the home screen of the consignor portal. This screen contains all of your contact information. Should you need to make any edits, navigate to the top right hand of the screen and click Edit. You'll also notice we have a payout section in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. This will show all the shoes you've sold and the amount you've been paid out for. When you're ready to sell a shoe, navigate to the top left hand corner of the screen and click Sell. Currently, we use the Suplexed API to pull products into our catalog from StockX. For this reason, we recommend you use StockX to find the product you want to sell and then copy the SKU number and then paste it into the search bar. Once you've found the shoe you want to list for sale, click the title. Then, in the top right hand corner, click Sell. Then choose your size, the condition, and any flaws if necessary. Then scroll to the bottom and name your price. Under the pricing field, you'll notice a payout field. This will show you your final payout after all fees. Then when ready, navigate to the top right hand corner of the screen and click Create. Currently, the product is pending review. Once the product has been approved, then you can print the QR code here and package it with your shoes when you ship them. If you are a local consignor, you can just bring the shoe in with the QR code. To check the status of your shoes, navigate to Inventory on the left-hand side of the screen. This will show you all the shoes that you've listed and their status. After an item has been pending, it will change the status to active. If an item has sold, the status will change to sold. If an item has been withdrawn, meaning you've picked the item up, it will be changed to withdrawn. Under the settings menu, you can change your password should you need to. That's really all there is to our consignor portal. Until next time.